नमस्कार। मैं हूं योगी मनीष यादव। तो आज मैं लाइव हूं योग संकल्प पेज पे। स्वागत है आप सभी का योग संकल्प पेज पे। और इसके लिए हमारे मित्र आकाश जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि मुझे लाइव आने के लिए अवसर दिया। तो आज हम करेंगे योगा फ्लो हाई इंटेंसिटी के साथ। वेट करते हैं 2 मिनट, सब लोग जुड़ जाएं जो भी करना चाहते हैं या देखना चाह रहे हैं। उसके बाद में हम करते हैं शुरू। इनका यूट्यूब चैनल भी है, अगर किसी को कोई योगा वीडियो देखना है या फिर और बहुत सारी जानकारी योगा से रिलेटेड लेना है तो यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी जाके देख सकते हैं। ठीक है, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अब। फर्स्ट प्रेयर के साथ में। So sit in a comfortable posture. Make sure your spine should be straight. Take Namaskar Mudra front of the chest. And gently close your eyes. Observe our breathing. Feel the relax your whole body. 3 times Om chanting. Take a deep inhale. Feel the vibration and sensation around you after chanting. Feel the positive changes. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Look at the palms. Namaste again and welcome to Yoga Sankalp Page. First we'll do loosening exercise, warm up. So first both palms on the knees and the spine should be straight. Inhale, chin up and look up. Exhale, chin to collarbone, very slowly. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Next, inhale center and exhale, bend left side. Inhale center, exhale right side bending. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale center, next clockwise movement and normal breathing very slowly. Anti-clockwise. Release. So next, take your both palms beside your sit bone. Spine should be straight. And inhale, raise your both arms up. Interlock your fingers, palms out. Stretch your upper body. Stretch, stretch. Slowly exhale, bend right side, but both arms should be touch your ear and look up. Inhale, come back center, and exhale left side. Inhale, come back center. Exhale right side. Inhale, exhale left side. Inhale, come back center and exhale right side again and hold here for few seconds. Keep normal breathing and look up. Feel the positive changes on your body. Inhale, come back center and exhale left side. Hold here also for few seconds and keep normal breathing. Look up. Inhale center and exhale, drop both palms on the knees again. And next, spine should be straight always time and every postures. So next, bring your right palm on the left knee. Elbow should be straight and inhale left arm up, but left arm should be touch your ear. Exhale, slowly drop right shoulder right side and left arm over the head. Look up. Hold here for few seconds. Keep normal breathing and feel the stretches on your left side body here and look up. Inhale, come back center and exhale, same method opposite side. Left palm on the right knee and right arm up and slowly drop a left shoulder left side and look up. Inhale, come back center and exhale, release. Next, bring the both arms forward and take a deep inhale. And exhale, bring your left arm back behind the sit bone and right palm on the left knee. Twist your spine and look back. Inhale, come back center and exhale, same method, right side. Bring your right arm back behind the sit bone, left palm on the right knee and twist your spine. Look back. Hold it for a few seconds. Inhale, come back center and exhale, release. Release. Next, take your both palms behind the sit bone, but palm facing forward. Palm facing forward. Spine should be straight. And from this position, roll your shoulder back and chest open. This also good for shoulder paining and shoulder problems. So inhale, lift your pelvic as much as can possible and look back. Look back and chest open. Elbow should be straight. Feel the stretches in the lower back and shoulders. And exhale down slowly and interlock your fingers. Elbow should be straight and slowly bend forward, chin on the floor. Inhale, come back center and exhale, drop your both palms again. And again, inhale, lift your pelvic as much as can possible and look back very slowly. And exhale down. Take interlock your fingers again and bend forward very slowly. Keep normal breathing. Inhale, come back center and exhale, drop your both palms again. Inhale, lift your pelvic again and this time hold here for a few seconds. Keep normal breathing. Feel the positive changes on your body and keep normal breathing. Hold here. And slowly down and interlock your fingers again. Bend forward. Elbows should be straight. Feel the positive changes on your shoulders. Inhale, come back center and exhale, release. Drop your both palms on the knees again and this time bring your both arms forward. This moment, Bhastrika Pranayama with hands movement, 1 minute. So this is very helpful for heart opening and shoulders problem. So deep inhale, chest open and bend your elbows little and exhale forward. Deep inhale fast and exhale fast. Release and next drop both palms on the knees again. Spine should be straight and close your eyes for 30 seconds. Observe after vibration. Feel the positive changes. Normal breathing. Release. So next we'll start flow. First starting yoga flow for setting posture. So come to front of mat and legs wider, and toes forward, spine should be straight. Take Namaskar Mudra, front of chest, and open your both, take your both elbow support and knee open. Don't do like this here. Take your both elbow support on your knees and spine should be straight. Come to Malasana posture and look front. Spine should be straight. Slowly inhale, raise your both arms up, palms together and look up. Exhale, bend slowly right side, elbow should be straight and look up. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side, elbow should be straight, look up. Inhale, center, and exhale, bend forward, but elbow should be straight and palms together. Spine should be in a line, spine should be straight, and hips and knee in a line, Bring your both arms forward. And slowly drop your both palms here, and inhale, bring right leg back, and right knee should be straight, push your belly forward. Slowly drop a right elbow on the floor, and left knee open left side, left elbow should be straight and look up. Slowly drop a left palm and right elbow straight. Come to plank position. And inhale, exhale, drop both knees, and slowly chesting down on the floor. Come to Ashtanga Namaskar. Pelvic should be up, elbow beside the rib cage. And inhale, move your body forward and lift your chest. Come to Cobra. In Cobra position, roll your shoulder down. Don't do like this. Roll your shoulder down, and elbow should be bent, elbow beside the rib cage, and look up, neck high. Exhale, tuck your toes in, and come to downward facing dog, mountain pose. Right heels on the floor, knees should be straight, and push your body to the knees. Inhale, bring the right leg forward beside the right palm, don't do like between palms. Beside the right palm, and push your leg forward, left knee should be straight. Slowly drop a left elbow on the floor, and right palm on the right knee, elbow should be straight, right knee open right side, and look up. Slowly drop a right palm, and left leg forward, beside the left palm, spine should be straight, and hips and knee in a line. Bring your both arms forward, palms together. Inhale, hips down, and raise your both arms up, look up. Elbow should be straight. And exhale, bend right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side bending. Inhale, center. Exhale, again bend forward. And slowly drop your both palms between palms, this time again. And bring your left leg back. Left knee should be straight. Inhale and exhale, drop a left elbow very slowly. Right palm on the right knee and push your belly forward, right knee open right side, elbow straight, look up. Feel the stretch your hamstring muscles and thigh muscles. Slowly drop a right palm and right leg back, come to plank position. In plank position, body in a line and push your abdomen inside, tighten your glute muscles and look down. Inhale, very slowly drop both knees and exhale, drop a chest in on the floor, come to Ashtanga Namaskar. And inhale, move your body forward, Cobra, roll your shoulder down and look up, neck high. Exhale, take your toes in, come to downward facing dog again, mountain pose. And inhale, left leg forward beside your left palm, right knee should be straight. And slowly drop a right elbow, left palm on the left knee, and left knee open left side and look up. Slowly drop a left arm, and right elbow straight, right leg forward. Do very slowly, don't do fast. Enjoy the yoga postures, and bring your both arms forward. Elbow should be straight, spine should be straight. Don't do like this. Elbow should be straight and spine should be straight. Inhale, raise your both arms up again. Knee open, hips down, and spine should be straight. Look up. Exhale, bend right side again. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side bend. Inhale, center. And exhale, bend forward again. Hips in a line, hips and knee. And slowly drop your both palms again. look front, and inhale, right leg back again this time. Right knee should be straight. Slowly drop right elbow, left palm on the left knee, and look up. Drop a left palm, and left leg back, right elbow should be straight. Come to plank, tighten your glute muscles, body in a line, look down, and push your abdomen inside. Inhale, drop your both knees. Exhale, chest in down on the floor, come to Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra very slowly. Enjoy the each and every posture. Don't do fast. And feel the positive changes on your body. This posture also best for back pain. If you have back pain, you can try this posture. And look up. Exhale, take your toes in and come to down facing dog again. Knees should be straight and try to touch heels on the floor. Push your body to the knees. Inhale, bring the right leg forward beside your right palm and push the belly forward. Someone doing this like so, push the belly forward. This is correct posture. Okay. Feel extra stretches on your hamstring muscles and slowly drop a left elbow. And right arm up, right knee open right side and right palm on the right knee. Look up. Slowly drop a right palm and left elbow straight, left leg forward. Bring both arms forward. Inhale, raise both arms up and look up. Exhale, bend right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side bending. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend forward again. And slowly drop both palms. Inhale, left leg back. Drop it slowly, left elbow. And right palm on the right knee open right side and look up. Slowly drop a right palm. Right leg back into plank. Plank position. Inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Drop a knee and chest in on the floor. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, take your toes in. Come to down facing dog. Inhale, bring your left leg forward beside your left palm. Right knee should be straight and drop a right elbow. Left palm on the left knee. Look up. Exhale, drop a left palm and right leg forward. Hips and knee in a line. Bring your both arms forward. Inhale, raise your both arms up. And exhale, bend right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop both palms. So this first flow finish. We'll do rest for 30 seconds. So bring the right leg back and left leg back. Drop both knees. Knee wider, legs shoulder distance apart. And sit back child pose very slowly. Relax for a few seconds here. 30 seconds. Keep normal breathing. Keep normal breathing. Feel the positive changes on your body. And close your eyes. So next from here, come to cat position. Knee body legs shoulder distance apart. And wrist and shoulder in a line. Spine should be straight. And look front. So first, inhale, push your abdomen toward the floor and arch back little. Look up. Come to Marjari Asana. Look up. And exhale, hunch back and push your abdomen inside and chin to collarbone. Again inhale, look up, arch back. Exhale, hunch back, chin to collarbone. Inhale, exhale. This posture also best for back pain. So you can do back pain for this posture. Inhale, arch back, look up. Exhale, hunch back, chin to collarbone. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, release. And so from here, inhale, bring right leg up and bend right knee and toes straight, arch back and look up. And slowly exhale, right leg forward between palms, and push the belly forward as much as can possible. Both palms on the right knee, elbow should be straight and arch back as much as can possible. Look back. Slowly drop both palms beside the right leg and right knee is straight. Try to rest chin on the knee, spine should be straight. Don't do hunchback. Spine should be straight and try to chin on the knee. And inhale, bring right arm up. Look up. Feel the stretch as from the calf muscle and hamstring muscles. Look up. Elbow should be straight. Slowly drop a right palm and right leg back. Come to cat pose again. Inhale, bring the left leg up. Same position of opposite side. Bend the left knee and arch back towards straight. Exhale, left leg forward between palms and push the belly forward as much as can possible. Both palms on the knees, left, and inhale, arch back. Elbow should be straight. Look up. Exhale, drop both palms beside the left knee, left leg, and slowly left knee straight. Try to chin on the knee. Inhale, left arm up. Look up. Exhale, drop left arm. And again come to cat pose. And this time, bring your right leg up again. Right leg up. And look up. Exhale, right leg forward between palms. And slowly drop right knee. Drop right knee. Try to rest hips on the floor. Left knee should be straight. Or you can do both palms on the knee right. And slowly arch back. Push the pelvic down. Look up. Or if you have more flexible, so raise your both arms up. Elbows should be straight and both shoulders in a line. Raise your both arms up, palms together. Arch back as much as can possible and look up. And exhale, bend forward. Bring your both arms forward and chin on the floor. Spine should be straight. Inhale, come back center. And slowly exhale, right leg back. Come to cat pose again. Cat pose. And inhale, left leg up. Left leg up. Look up. Exhale, left leg forward between palms and slowly drop a left knee. Choose release. Right hips on the floor. Right knee should be straight and both palms on the floor on the right knee. And inhale, arch back. Or you can do raising both arms up, palms together. And exhale, bend forward slowly. Inhale, come back center. And exhale, left leg back. Come to cat pose again, cat pose. So next, again, bring right leg up, inhale, and look up. Exhale, right leg forward. Try to touch right shoulder, don't touch here. Try to touch right shoulder. And inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release and same method opposite side. Inhale, left leg up, toes straight, arch back, look up. And exhale, left leg forward beside the left shoulder. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So release. This posture, this movement very good for abs and side abs, side core muscles. So sit back, child pose again and relax for 30 seconds. Keep normal breathing and close your eyes. Feel the positive changes on your body. Next, look front, and from here, inhale, move your body forward and come to cobra position again. Cobra position, elbow bend and elbow beside the rib cage. Look up, roll your shoulder down, neck high. And exhale, this time take your toes in, come to mountain pose, downward facing dog. And from here, inhale, right leg up, knee should be straight. And exhale, right leg forward between palms. And push the belly forward and slowly left leg up, right knee should be straight. Try to touch chin on the knee chin on the knee. And slowly left leg forward beside your right leg. And inhale, right leg up, knee should be straight. Exhale, drop right leg and left knee bend. And slowly left leg back, come to mountain pose again. Mountain pose. Inhale, left leg up, knee should be straight. Exhale, left leg forward between palms. And slowly right leg up, right wrist, chin on the knee. And drop right leg beside the left leg. Inhale, left leg up again. Knee should be straight both. Exhale, left leg down. And right leg back, come to plank position. This time plank position. Body in a line, look down. Tighten glute muscles. Inhale, right arm up. Come to side plank, look up. Exhale, drop right arm. And same method opposite side. Inhale, left arm up, look up. Exhale, drop left arm. And inhale, exhale, cobra, drop both knees and toes release. This time elbows should be straight, look up. Exhale, tuck your toes in, come to mountain pose. And inhale, right leg forward again, Exhale, left leg forward, come to Padasana. And hold your ankle or calf muscles, try thrust, chin on the knee or spine should be straight. Hold here for few seconds, keep normal breathing. Feel the positive changes and feel the stretches on the hamstring muscles and calf muscles. Hold here 30 seconds. Release, slowly release. Drop both palms again, beside both legs. And inhale, right leg back. And from here, both knees should be straight. And try thrust, chin on the knee, left. And head up. Inhale, left arm up. And look up. Feel the stretches on hamstring muscles and calf muscles. Exhale, drop left arm. And left leg back, come to plank position. From plank position, inhale, right leg forward again. And knee should be straight, both knees straight. Try to chin on the knee. Inhale, right arm up, look up. Exhale, drop right arm and right leg back into plank position. And this time, inhale, bring the left leg forward and bend the left knee crucifixally forward. Right knee should be straight. Take a right arm outside, left side. Twist your spine and left arm up, look up. Look up, and slowly bring the left arm under the body and right arm under the body. Interlock fingers, look up. Twist your spine should be. And next, take Namaskar Mudra left side. Look up. Slowly drop right palm left side. Left arm should be up and right leg forward. And take Namaskar Mudra left side. Chair position. Variation. Bring your both arms forward. And same method opposite side. Take Namaskar Mudra right side. Look up. Slowly drop a left palm and right arm up. Inhale, left leg back. Left knee should be straight and push the belly forward. Look up. And next position, interlock fingers both. Look up. Slowly, next variation, take Namaskar Mudra. Look up. Drop both palms and right leg back. Come to plank position again. And again same method. Again one more flow. Bring right leg forward. Inhale and raise both arms up. Take both arms shoulder level and push the belly forward. Chest open. Look up. Exhale, bend forward. And slowly left leg up. Warrior 3 variation. Both knees should be straight and spine should be in a line. You can do both arms shoulder level or you can take Namaskar Mudra. Hold here for few seconds. Knees straight and toes straight. Take Namaskar Mudra front of chest. And slowly take your both arms shoulder level again. And drop a left leg here. Inhale, right leg up. Right knee should be straight, both knees straight. You can take both arms shoulder level or you can take Namaskar Mudra. and slowly bend the left knee and right leg down. Right knee should be straight, push your belly forward. Inhale, arch back. Look up. Exhale, drop your both palms. Left leg back. Come to mountain pose. Mountain pose. And this time, inhale, bring the left leg forward again. Left leg forward. Left leg forward. And slowly left arm up. Left arm up. Look up. Both knees should be straight. And from here, inhale, right leg up and knee straight. Both knees should be straight. Look up. Exhale, drop your right leg and drop your both palms here. Inhale, bring your left leg back. Left leg back. Left leg back and right arm up. Left knee should be straight and slowly left leg up and right knee straight. Both knees should be straight. Look up. Feel the stretches on our hamstring muscles and calf muscles. Drop your both palms and slowly left leg down. Come to mountain pose again. Mountain pose. And from here, in mountain pose, inhale, bring the left arm back and hold your right ankle, and push the body to the knees. Look up. Feel the stretches for here and hold here for few seconds. Inhale, left arm forward again and exhale, same on the right side, right palm back, hold your left ankle and look up. Inhale, come back center, mountain pose. And from here, inhale, bring your right leg up this time. Right leg up in mountain pose. And exhale, right leg under the body. Left side. Hold your right big toe with left palm. Knee should be straight. And look left side. Inhale, come back down facing dog again. Exhale, release. Same other body side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg under the body, right side. Hold your left big toe with right palm. And slowly drop your both palms. And left leg down. Drop your both knees and sit with child pose. Relax here for few seconds. Keep normal breathing. Keep normal breathing. Feel the positive changes. Relax for 30 seconds and next we will do pranayama. So next we will do pranayama. First relax for 30 seconds. Need body normal. First close your eyes for 30 seconds. After that we will start pranayama. Try to normal breathing. Feel the positive energy. Release. So first pranayam, Kapalbhati, 2 minutes. You can take both palms just like interlock fingers and down, or you can take Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra and close your eyes. 1 second, 1 stroke and 1 minute 60 stroke. So very slowly. Inhale naturally and exhale forcefully. release. So next we'll do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. First take left hand Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra and close your right nostril and deep inhale from left side, deep and long, very slowly inhale from left side. And exhale right side completely. Inhale right. Exhale left. Continue left right. Release. So thank you everyone for joining with us. Thank you Pramod ji and Pradeep Nautiyal ji, Sanu Sarma, thank you. Ranjit Singh, thank you. Nandini ji, thank you. So next we'll finish with 3 times Om chanting. Take Namaskar Mudra again. Instantly close your eyes. Feel the relax your whole body. Normal breathing. 3 times Om chanting. Take a deep inhale. Feel the vibration and sensation around you after chanting. Feel the positive changes. And rub your palms forcefully in the heat. Keep rubbing fast. Cup your eyes. Do your face massage. Massage your shoulders, elbows, knee, calf muscles, and whole body. Feel the positive energy. Slowly bring your both palms front of your chest. And gently open your eyes. Look at the palms. Thank you everyone. एंड थैंक्स अगेन आकाश जी और अभिषेक कांडवाल जी हमारे मित्र हैं और आप इनका यूट्यूब चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। बहुत सारी अच्छी जानकारी मिल सकती है आपको वहाँ से। फिनिश।